In this lesson, you're going to learn why most English language learners don't use this really powerful expression correctly. To get the most from this lesson, watch to the end, speak out loud, do all the exercises, and you will know how and when to say it, just like a native English speaker. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. The first thing we need to do is learn how to pronounce it. At the start is X. Now this X is pronounced as though it was spelled E-K-S. X. It's a K sound. Try it. X. Once more, X. Next to that is the Q. Now this sounds like the letter Q. To make that sound, you need to push your lips forward, like you're kissing your granny. Q, Q. Put those two together and you have XQ. Say it out loud, XQ. After that we've got the Z sound. So all that together is excuse, excuse. Now all you have to do is add the me on the end and you've got excuse me. The strength in this word is in the Q, so make sure you pronounce that really clearly. Excuse me, excuse me. Great, now we know how to pronounce it. This might surprise you, but you only ever say excuse me when someone has done or said something to upset you. For example, imagine you're in a queue, you're waiting your turn, and someone pushes in front of you. That's the perfect time to say, excuse me. You try. Remember to get all the strength in that Q. Excuse me. Next, let's practice when someone says something that upsets you. So please, say this out loud to me. No, really, say it out loud. Excuse me? You see how that works? Now it's your turn. Hey, you! You sound funny when you speak English. Again, make sure you get that Q sound really strong. Excuse me. Okay? Hey, you! You sound funny when you speak English. Really good. Now try saying this. Excuse me. You see how that works? You say excuse me when someone has done something or said something to upset you. That's it. You don't use it for anything else. Now the only tiny thing you have to do to change excuse me so that you can use it for other things is simply get rid of the X. So it becomes excuse me. Excuse me. Try it. Excuse me. So while excuse me was quite serious, excuse me, that sounds friendly. And there's lots of ways we can use it now. First, you can use it if someone is accidentally standing in your way, maybe in a supermarket. And you use it like this. Excuse me, excuse me. You try. Can you hear how friendly that sounds then? Excuse me. Excuse me, excuse me. You can also use it if your body makes an unexpected noise. Excuse me. Excuse me. Or excuse me. Excuse me. Seriously, can someone just open a window? But the most important way to use excuse me is to get someone's attention so you can ask them something. Excuse me, would you do me a favour and click the like button? It's just there. Only take a second and it really helps. Thanks. So you see, you can use excuse me to get someone's attention to ask them something. Try using it in this sentence. Excuse me, can you tell me the time, please? Or perhaps you're in a restaurant and you want to get the attention of a waiter. I'll be the waiter. Get my attention. Yes, can I help you? See? Nice, friendly, and it works. Now let's do that again. But this time, I'm the waiter and I'll ignore you. Just follow the words when they come up. Excuse me, sorry. Can I help you? My rule in a restaurant is the waiter gets 2 friendly excuse me's. And if they ignore me, they get an unfriendly excuse me. Works like magic every time. Now click the bus to subscribe and then click this link for another video to help you improve your English. See you next time.